Kavya, are you ready for the quiz competition next week?
I think so, but I'm a bit nervous about the English section. What if they ask tricky grammar questions?
Don't worry, let's review some topics together during lunch. We can start with interrogative sentences since they often show up in quizzes.
That sounds like a great idea.
Alright, let's start with what interrogative sentences are. They are simply sentences that ask questions.
So they end with a question mark, right?
Exactly. Now when a sentence has am, is, was or were, we form the question by switching the subject and the verb.
Oh, like I am happy, and if I converted this in interrogative, it sounds like am I happy?
Yes, that's right. Now convert this statement into interrogative. They were angry.
Were they angry?
Hey, you got it!
I get it. What about sentences with has, have or had?
For those, we also switch the subject and the verb.
So, if I say you have a bicycle, then it changes into he has a bicycle?
Right!
That makes sense. What if the verb has more than one word?
For those, we move the first part of the verb to the beginning of the sentence. Like Ravi is playing, this is the statement. If we converted this into an interrogative with more than one word, it sounds like is Ravi playing?
Okay, so it's about moving the first verb. What about simple present tense?
In the simple present tense, we use do or does before the subject. Like Sarika likes ice cream. This is the statement. Does Sarika like ice cream? No, this is the verb in the simple present tense.
Got it. How about the simple past tense?
For simple past tense, we use did before the subject and the base form of the verb.
Thanks, Janvi. This is really helpful. But what about the questions that begin with question words?
Great point! Questions can begin with words like what, where, when, why, who, and how. These are called question words.
And what about question tags?
For question tags, we add a short question at the end of a statement. If the statement is positive, the tag is negative. And if the statement is negative, the tag is positive.
Wow, that really clears things up. Thanks for explaining, Janvi.
No problem. I'm glad it helped. Now we can tackle those questions of the quiz with confidence.
Let's meet up again tomorrow to review more topics. This was really helpful.
Absolutely. Kavya will face that quiz for sure.